How to fix this error: failed to connect to server, an unexpected error occurred, connection aborted by peer in Hytale. The first thing that I suggest doing is going to be opening up your computer search and searching for view network connections. You want to click on this. Now you want to find your network connection, Ethernet, right click, properties. Here you will just go and find Internet Protocol version 4. Again, you want to click on properties. Use the following DNS server addresses and you will just type 8888. And for the alternate DNS server, you will type 8844. Then check this, validate settings upon exit, and click on OK. Once you have done this, we can proceed to the second method, which will be opening up our computer search and searching for date and time settings. Click on it. Make sure both of these are turned on. Set time zone automatically and set time automatically are both turned on. And then you want to click on sync now here for your additional settings. Once you have done this, if it still doesn't work, then your versions of Hytale probably are a mismatch with the person whom you're trying to play the game with. So what I suggest doing is going to be updating your Hytale game launcher version, and that should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.